Okay, let's take the IEEE 2011 question from the function. The domain of the function fx equals to 1 by under root of mod x minus x is. So we need to find out the domain of the function. Fx equals to 1 over under root of mod x minus x. So on looking at this question, you know that if you need to find out the domain of this function, you have the denominator part over here, which means that denominator part must not equals to 0, and that denominator part also contains an under root, which means this under root having a quantity inside it which should not be negative. So this under root quantity, which is mod x minus x, must be greater than 0. So mod x minus x greater than 0, and this must not be equals to 0, which means mod x minus x should not equals to 0. So if mod x minus x is greater than 0, it naturally means that it does not equals to x. So we should find out the value of x which makes it greater than x. So mod x should be greater than x. So you can tell this thing algebraically and graphically as well. So let me draw the graph. So I have drawn two graphs over here. That orange line that I have drawn here is the mod x. As you can see that mod x graph will be like that. It is always positive, means it does not have the value which gives the negative value on the y-axis. So mod x is the orange line that I have drawn, and the mod x the x value is the blue line that I have drawn here. Mod x is overlapping this x curve here. So you can see that in which values of x, these are the values of x and these are the values of y. So in which values of x mod x will be greater than x. So you can see here when x is positive, you can see that mod x is equal to x, and you have already deducted that mod x could not be equal to x. So these values means x greater than 0 will not be taken. Okay, and you can see that, and when x is less than 0, you can see that mod x is greater than x. This is x, this is y equals to x, and this is y equals to mod x. So you can see that when x is less than 0, mod x is greater than x. So my answer will be x is less than 0. It means x belongs to minus infinity to 0. So my answer will be D. The most important thing in these kind of questions that you should have your concepts clear about each and every function, whether it's mod x, greatest integer x, fractional value of x, or any kind of function here. Okay, so learn this. I think you can learn about the mod x from this question also. Okay.